Good morning, everyone. Happy Research Day. This is Dukdil once again, your research professor. So, this morning, I will teach you how to present your findings, conclusions, and recommendations in the Word file. But before that, for those who are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that if I have new videos relating to writing research in education and business research, you will always be updated. Last night, our discussion focused on how to make your findings, conclusions, and recommendations. So this time, papaano natin siya ililipat doon sa ating manuscript. Yan ang ating focus this morning. Okay. So what we are going to do, so ito yung output natin kagabi. This is our output last night. And then our concern now, how are we going to transfer this in our manuscript? So of course, we are going to open a new document, and then of course, since the findings, conclusions, and recommendations, these three side headings are part of our chapter 5. So let us try to think that we are done with our summary, because after the summary is our finding. Okay, the presentation of the findings, conclusions, and recommendations. Okay, so for example, okay, summary. Arial 12. Okay. So for example, as what I have told you, tapos na tayo sa ating summary. So let's proceed now to our findings. Okay, another side headings or another side heading. Okay, finding, and of course, this should be double space. Okay. So, medyo, wag lang natin masyadong habaan kasi yung summary is only one paragraph. So, as what I have said, you have to provide an introductory statement. So, saan ba naka-root or nakabase yung ating findings? So, based on the problems posted in this study, the following findings are presented. Okay. So, and then, dapat colon dyan. And then, so, what we're going to do, let's go back to the AI, and then, we have to copy our findings. Okay, so, finding number 1, the compact version, Tingnan natin yung compact version. Okay, so finding number 1, we are going to copy this, and then we will paste it here. As what I have told you, this is numbered, so this is number 1, and then paste. So later, yung gagawin natin, we are going to align the mechanics. Okay. Then, on the level of customer involvement, copy this one. Let's go back here. Okay. So, we have to copy all the findings since there are 7, no? There are 7 findings from the 7 statement of the problem. Okay, number 5. number 6. No, but make sure, no, make sure that you have to read this one so that you will be able to check that the one that is given by AI is really the one that you are asking. Okay. And then after this one, so we've done copying this. So after this one, what we are going to do is align this to the format of which Arial 12, 12 and then Arial, and then yan, justify, and this should be in double space. Okay, so if you try to look at this, now you have now the findings. So, findings, since this is side heading, dapat naka-bold ito. So, as with the summary. Okay. So, after this one, no, we are done with our findings. So, the next is our conclusions. Okay, our conclusions. Of course, again, there should have introductory statement. So here, the AI already provide us the introductory statement. So you have to read kung tama din ba. And then put it here. And then, again, this is also numbered. No? Okay, conclusions. Yan. Then this one, indented. And then, number 1. Okay, so all we have to do is to copy again the, okay. So, if you try to look at this, no, in AI, meron siyang nilagay na demographic profile. So, we need not to copy this one. So, direkta na tayo doon sa conclusion. No? Do not, in the presentation of your conclusions, do not include the title. Okay. So, since there are 7 findings, so we will have also 7 conclusions. Okay. Yan. So, always remember that conclusions are implications of the findings. No? So, these are implications. So, you have also to read if the one that is given is really an implication. Or, when we talk about implication, these are reasons of the findings. No? Yan ay mga reasons of the findings. Okay. So, yan. So, the next one, again, we have to align with the format. Okay. Arial and then 12. Of course, dapat justified and then double space. Okay. Yan. No, bold. Kasi side heading siya. Okay, so we have already now the 7, no? We have already now the 7 conclusions out from the 7 findings. So, the next one, recommendations. Okay. So, punta tayo doon. So, since as what I have told you, recommendations are rooted from your significance of the study. So, meaning to say, kung sino lang yung nandyan sa significance of the study, sila lang din yung makikita natin sa recommendations. Do not add anymore. Kasi if you will add, you have to add this in your significance of the study. So para hindi sa komplikado, kung sino yung nandoon, yun lang ang ilagay natin sa ating recommendations, and kung paano natin sila, no, how we arrange them doon sa significance of the study. So kung sino yung nauna, siya din yung mauna doon sa recommendations. Okay. So here, Of course, and again, in every side heading, you have to provide an introductory statement. No? So yan, introductory. Based on the findings and conclusions of the study, the following recommendations are made. Okay, tama lang sa made. Do not add any more. Various stakeholders are made or are forwarded. So, first, okay, we have to copy, no, for the Department of Industry. Okay, so we have to copy this one. Okay, then for the business organizations, then for the customers, okay, for the customers, and then for the future researchers. Okay, for the future researchers. Okay, so here, again, we have to align this with our format. So, dapat Arial siya, and then 12. No? Talagang maulan sa labas. Okay, and then, aligned with our mechanics, so double space. Okay, so what will happen here? So dapat naka-bold si recommendations, and then ito, no, indent din natin based on the findings and conclusions of the study. The following recommendations are made. So first, we have the Department of Industry. So dapat naka-indent siya, no? Naka-indent, and then instead of colon, period yan. So, indented, and then the Department of Industry, as what I have told you in our previous video, we have to avoid the use of should and must, no? Because as what I have said, we are not recommending anymore. We are forcing them to implement. Okay, so we can use shall. Okay, and then for business organization, okay, indented yan. Then remove the colon, replace it with a period, and then okay, we can use, kanina shall, we use may, no, because we can use shall, we can use may, and we can use can. Okay, and then next is for the customers, again, remove the colon, replace it with a period, and then backspace, no, okay, and then lagyan natin ng can. And then the last one, the future researchers, and then period, then yan. Okay, we can use may here. Okay, so before the finalization, you have to read, no? Okay, the programs kasi meron pa dito, no? Meron pang mga should. So you have to read. Okay, this one. Okay, can provide. Okay, can also. So, yung mga should natin, we are going to change that into what is given. Okay. So, they can participate, no, actively. We have to remove that, no, that is an extra character. Okay, should say customers can also, okay, they may also can examine. Okay, so this is how are you going to present, no, your chapter 5, no, to complete. Okay, lagyan na lang natin siya ng chapter 5. And then, summary, comma, findings, comma, conclusions, comma, and recommendations. Okay. And then, we have to provide an introductory statement. This, okay, dapat dili siya bold. This chapter presents the summary, findings, conclusions, and recommendations of the study. And then, indent. So, okay, so this is how are you going to make your chapter 5. Okay, so if your chapter 5 is not presented like this, you have to revise. No, kasi when I check that, automatically that will be wrong. So you should have to follow what is instructed and for you to be able to present properly your chapter 5. So this is our concern no this morning, maulan sa labas, and no I hope that meron na naman kayong bagong natutunan kung paano natin i-present no yung ating chapter 5, focusing on the findings, conclusions, and recommendations. So maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa patuloy na panunood at pagsuporta sa aking munting channel. So kung meron kayong mga tanong tungkol sa research, tungkol sa pag-aalaga ng orchids, so ilagay nyo lang yan doon sa ating chat box at I will try my best na gagawa natin yan ng content. No? Kasi itong aking channel, this is a mix of my travel, local and international, writing research and education and business, writing action research for teachers no in the Department of Education, and of course no my hobby also being a plantito, no? Being a plantito because I am taking good care of orchids, no? Ornamentals. So, thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone. Until next time, and stay safe wherever you are.